Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Little Stars, your ultimate destination for children. If you're as passionate about delicious recipes for kids, then hit that subscribe button right now and join our incredible community. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on the amazing kids' meals recipes videos we have in store for you. So, let's dive right in. Here's a simple recipe for a refreshing mango milkshake. Ingredients: 2 ripe mangoes, peeled and chopped. 2 cups cold milk. 2 tablespoons sugar, adjust to taste. 1 cup ice cubes. Optional: a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Instructions: place the chopped mangoes, cold milk, sugar, and ice cubes in a blender. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. If you prefer a thicker milkshake, add more ice cubes. Taste the milkshake and adjust the sweetness by adding more sugar if needed. If desired, add a scoop of vanilla ice cream to make the milkshake even creamier. Blend again until well combined. Pour the mango milkshake into serving glasses. You can garnish the milkshake with a mango slice or a sprinkle of cinnamon if you like. Serve the milkshake immediately and enjoy. Note: you can also use frozen mango chunks instead of fresh mangoes if they are not in season. Just thaw them slightly before blending. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe this channel where I give you delicious recipes I've learned about. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.